Black oxide finish. Part number 2504202. Fit type. Vehicle specific. Package weight 5.724 kilograms. Supderduty 6.0L diesel, built for the 03-05 Ford F350. Obtaining the optimum cylinder head to block sealing is especially critical in small displacement engines employing high compression pistons or power adders like turbochargers, nitrous oxide and superchargers. That's why ARP head studs are popular among leading sport compact import racers. You should know that ARP uses a premium grade 8740 alloy that is rated far superior to aircraft quality. Then, each stud is precisely heat-treated to 200,000 psi. Following heat treat, each stud is centerless ground to make it as close to perfectly concentric as possible. This procedure involves about 10 very slight cuts and results in an exceptionally straight part. It's important to note that lesser quality studs are not even centerless ground. The material is thread rolled in bar stock form, mostly before heat treat, when the material is easier to machine. Because ARP studs are manufactured to such exacting tolerances, you will note that gaskets and cylinder heads literally glide into position and are perfectly aligned, something that won't happen with inferior quality head studs. ARP studs are thread rolled after heat treat, which gives them about 1000%, that's 10 times better fatigue strength than those studs that are threaded prior to heat treat. You will also note that ARP offers specially undercut studs for several engines. This procedure, done only to the shorter studs, more equalizes the stretch of both studs, which makes for a more consistent clamping force, one that compensates for head gasket compression when the head is installed. This helps prevent blown head gaskets and assures optimum sealing. Top reviews from the United States. Early 2003 6.0L. Worked great on my Earl 6.0L 2003 Supderduty, with cab on. Make sure you put the corner bolt in the head and hold it with a zip tie so it won't fall off, then install the head. I had to buy the special tool for my cherry picker to take the heads off this 6.0L diesel. Worked great.